Hey, Mac.
So here we have our clapper, switch, and as explained before in my previous project, we have the signal coming through this microphone, and from the microphone it goes into our dual op amp. First stage is going to be the amplifying stage to amplify the signal, and then from those amplifications it takes the peaks and compares them, makes them do a bunch of square waves. From that, have it going into the 555 timer to make it into one large square wave, and essentially those square waves for every input it goes to the toggle, the 7474 flip-flop, the toggle the output so that the light would go on when I would snap and then go back off with a varying time constant with this capacitor and resistor. Now for this project we added another dual op amp, and we're going to be varying the resistors right here. We're going to change the resistance so that it would be less sensitive to our input. So we would have one light go on at, say, a certain distance or certain amplitude, but the further we go away or closer we get, the other one would trigger on or off depending on how loud we clap. Now we ran into some issues like explained before. The state with the 555, we don't know why it does that. We weren't able to program a pick chip just because of time. And so right now, like, we've been messing around with all night and it's actually not working at all. So we don't know what the issue is. I'll probably play around a little bit more, but just for the sake of the project, we're taking this video, show you what we have done, what we tried to do, and
where we're currently at, which is when we turn it on and off. We had the first stage working, we hooked up the second stage, and when we turn it on,
now it just powers both LEDs.
Two LEDs just go on and it's unresponsive. So
normally we could just change one of the feeds, one of the jumpers, and then the state would go back in, but that's not even working now, so we don't know what's going on with it. But we're going to write the report and give you all the information we have. So, sorry.
Please show mercy. Bye-bye.